So if you're into minimal makeup with minimal effort, with some real skin peeking through, but at the same time glowy and radiant, but realistic type of face and look, then you came to the right channel and right video. Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, I hope you like my vibe and maybe subscribe to my channel. I make videos about skincare, beauty, fashion, and also philosophy. So let's get into this look. So this is me just applying some sunscreen before I get into this look, and make sure it's a sunscreen that does not leave a white cast. So make sure that your skin is highly moisturized and has a dewy finish. If you're interested on the skincare prep that I did before this makeup look, I highly recommend you watch these two videos. So I'll begin with going in with this concealer to cover up my dark spots, like under my eyes, around the nose, my hyperpigmentation, some of my imperfection. And this color is slightly darker than my skin tone, but we're gonna brighten up my face later on. So we're not gonna use any foundation today, as you can tell. So we can conceal and cover up some imperfection instead of using a foundation, and your skin could actually still look good. So I'm just waiting for the concealer to set a little bit, and I'm singing a song. After the concealer has set for a few minutes, I'm dabbing with a blender. So make sure to blend very well. Take your time. I'm speeding up in this video because we all know how to blend, but really take your time on blending. This is a very important step in your makeup. This is how you will make your makeup look skin-like and flawless. And also, when you're going in your imperfection, make sure to dab it so you don't drag your concealer, and that's how you'll cover up the imperfections. So dab it slightly like this, take your time, and do not drag the blender. And this is how you'll make sure to cover it up. And look, we look pretty good without any foundation, right? So now it's time for brightening up the skin, and make sure you're hydrated, y'all. I was thirsty, so I had to drink my water. Cheers. So I'm not using too much of this product. I'm going in the inner corner of my eye and give my eye shape, just to give some slightly brightness so we could look awake, and also around my mouth, since it's also hyper pigmented, a little bit darker, and the nose, and then the forehead to highlight a little bit, and the chin. So I'm dancing, waiting for it to set a little bit, and then I'm going in with a blender again, and just taking my time blending. Dab. And by the way, my blender is dry. It's not damp or wet. I feel like when I use a dry blender, it gives me more of a fuller coverage. Try it out, because I feel like when I wet it or let it damp, it takes all the product away from my skin, which beats the purpose. Time to set it. So I'm using a mineral pressed powder from Purr, and I'm just setting it under my eyes, around my smile lines and nose. We need to set it so the concealer don't move. Even though I have dry skin, I still feel like I need to set it since it's summertime, and I don't want to shine around those areas. So I'm going to set it also with this finishing setting spray. Feels so good. While we wait for it to dry, we're getting into my favorite part. So we're going to bronze my face. So I use a slightly darker foundation and a highlighter, and then I mix them together, and then I take this foundation brush, sorry, I don't know where it's from, and I just go to the high points of my face to bronze up my face. This is literally my favorite part of makeup, since it gives some dimension to my face and also some color. We don't look dead like a ghost. So I guess technically it's not without foundation, but I guess we're using foundation in a different purpose. By instead of covering up our face, we're using it to bronze our face. I actually love this trick. But look how the skin is glowing. You guys actually have to try this trick. Like, take a slightly darker foundation and mix it with the highlighter. Chef kiss. Your skin would look so radiant and glowy, especially if you have dry skin. Like, look at that. And then I dab it with a blender again. Always make sure to blend so it could be more skin-like and get into the skin. And look how we are glowing, like a natural glow. Like, look how the light is hitting my face so beautifully. So I take the same mix and try to shape my eyes. So it's the same foundation bronzer mix, and I'm going on the crease of my eye and then giving a little bit of a cat eye shape, and then the other side as well, just to give some eye shape and dimension. I want to give myself some extra glow, so I'm going in with this Glow Baby, and I got this for $1 actually. It's from the store, online store, Shop Miss A. Are you guys familiar with it? Sorry y'all, so my camera got too hot and it cut off before I got to show you how I applied my highlighter, but I went to the high points of my face. And I'm going in with this bronzer, so I'm setting my bronzer again with this powder bronzer. And I'm so sorry, I do not know where I got this bronzer from. It's I got it from a random beauty supply, but I'm going in on the eye area as well to set it. And yeah, we use powder to set. So I'm setting it again with this finishing spray. So I want to highlight my face again, so I'm going in with this MAC highlighter. I think it's Gold Deposit. So I'm just going on high points of my face and the nose bridge and the Cupid's bow. And then get this blush, y'all. Oh my god, I was so shocked how good this blush was. I actually got it for $1. $1, y'all. It was from Shop Miss A, and look at that color payoff. I was shocked. I didn't know it was gonna give that much, so I had to use my fingers to blend it. But look how pretty it is. It's like a subtle, nice flush on your face. I love, oh my god, and then my camera died. But this is how the blush looked, so I'm trying to show you guys. And now moving on to the lips. And this lip gloss, I got it from the same place, Shop Miss A, for $1. Yes, $1. I actually love buying lip glosses from beauty supplies. I always got, like, people used to always ask me, oh, your lip gloss is so cute, where did you get it? And I always used to say, I just got it from a random beauty supply for just like $1 or $2, and they work great for me. Sometimes I feel like you don't have to spend too much money on like lip gloss, blushes, and eyeshadow. You can get away with some more affordable. Yeah, when it comes to those type of products, I feel like you can get away with affordable ones. But when it comes to like base, I feel like you need to splurge a little bit on like foundation and concealer and stuff to get a nice quality finish. But look how pretty it is. I love the color. Really, really cute. So that is the look, y'all. I hope you like it. It's very such an everyday type of look. It looks like your face, but better. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, you'll probably like this video as well. And I hope to see you on my next video. And please like if you really like this video, and please subscribe. I'll love you for that. Until next time, bye.